Hello and welcome to your next challenge, inches to feet. So basically you will be provided with the parameter inches. It is an integer type parameter. So you will be provided with number of inches and you have to convert these inches into feet. So basically 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. So 324 divided by 12 is 27, 12 divided by 12 is 1 and 36 divided by 12 is 3. So if inches are less than 12 then you have to return 0. We will write our code here. The most basic method is just return inches divided by 12. We'll check the solution. So our solution is correct. But this is not a very good practice because we are not handling exceptions. For example, if the number is less than 12, then it should return 0. In this case, it is returning 0 because it is an integer value. But let's suppose if it was a double value or any floating integer, then this value will not be 0. If inches are less than 12, then the value will not be 0. So we should handle exceptions also for the numbers less than 12. So for exception handling we will use if else. So basically we will check if inches are greater than or equal to 12, then you should return inches divided by 12. Otherwise just return 0. So we'll check the solution here. So our solution is correct. We will do it with another method. Let's return inches are greater than equal to 12. If it is true, then just return inches divided by 12. Otherwise return 0. So we'll check the solution here. So our solution is correct. Thank you so much and I will see you in next lecture.